Today we will do the low hair bun with a straight button, which is used in kids' hairstyles and in Latin American hairdos for grown-ups. This is an old classic hairstyle which actually can be used on anyone. So how do we do the straight button? We use the hair comb with a sharp tip and with tightly sitting bristles. We tilt the head of the model a little bit to ourselves and we lay the tip on the forehead, trying to visually part model's nose in even halves. We try to create the straight line and then we move up, parting the forehead and then the hair in two even parts. So we part the hair, one side goes to the left and one side goes to the right. Often enough it happens that to lay down the vellus hair, which are often enough get in the way while working with kids, you can use just some water, spray it on the button and brush the hair to the left and to the right without any problems. After spraying the hair, we part the hair to the left and to the right. After parting the hair, we should check for it being extremely straight, and if some hair are going in our way, we put them away using the hair comb or our hands. The button should be super straight. Make sure to take care of each hair which lays out of the way. This is done, and now we are moving forward to the smoothening of the hair, which is done by easily combing down the hair to the hairdresser's hand. We put our hand under the bun and comb all the hair to the hand, from the left side and from the right side. The main thing is to put all the hair into the hairdresser's hand without losing the tension of the hair in the bun. We should increase the tension of the hair to the maximum to make the bun and the part of the hair above the bun as smooth as possible. We can move the hand however we want to make it comfortable and smooth enough. The main thing would be never losing the tension. Make sure to take care of the vellus hair, which can bring a lot of the mess if left without attention. We put them away, and after combing all the hair down to the hairdresser's hand, we fix them in a bun and straighten its disposition and center it out. We do the same movements over and over again to make the bun smooth enough and straight enough. There is no gel and no hairspray in it, so it's a little bit puffy now, but it will be fixed further. Now what we do is center down the bun, and difficulties with centering often happen in novice hairdressers' work when the bun goes to the side of the head, and this is not acceptable in any way, so we should pay enough attention to center it out. You should check twice whether your bun is in the center or not. Then we proceed to fixating the bun, and we take a hairband with a hook on the end and put it around the bun, starting from the place where your index finger lays. Then we wrap it around several times. We wrap it up several times around the bun, and the intensity of the wrapping is going to depend on the thickness of your model's hair. We try to wrap up the band intensely and fix it as tightly as possible. It usually takes 1 to 2 to 3 wrap-ups, depending on the thickness of model's hair. Now make sure to increase the hairband's tension to the maximum and pin the band using the hook to the base of the hair bun. Keep the tension up. This is the most important thing on this step. Check the center one more time. So we have the bun pinned down to the very center of the head. Now, when we work with the gel, we should make sure that the band is fixated evenly. And to make the band fixated evenly, make sure that both hooks of the band lay the closest to the base of the bun. It will be possible if both of the hooks will lay on the sides of the bun. So we take out the hook where it lays right now and wrap it up one more time and put it in the hair on the other side. So both hooks lay the closest to the head, and this makes working with gel way easily. Now you see that all the hair lays from to bottom in straight direction to the bun. So if we do the button, we should make sure that all the hair lays straightly and evenly. Before proceeding to the gel, we make sure that all the hair lays down evenly. The next important part is never being scared of your model or kid having bangs, because when we start to gel them out, those hair will lay evenly, the same as all the other hair on the head of the model. Now we proceed to performing the smoothing out with the gel. Make sure to pay enough attention to combing the hair down with a hairbrush with the tight bristles. Comb the hair down several times. Paying extra attention to the part of the hair which lays close to button. Let's proceed to the gel. This is a brand Silhouette, which is simple enough in use. It dries off quickly, which is why you have to work quick. So what you should do is part the head in several zones, each zone being approximately 3 to 4 centimeters wide.